I'll demonstrate and explain how the production control function works. To begin, go to Production greater than production control. For better visualization, the system displays on the main screen all jobs for the current month and year. You can adjust this view using the available filters. You can filter by a specific month, all months, or different years. It's also possible to filter by date range, specific status, or customer. You can configure how the services are sorted by clicking the gear icon. To view records created without any services, just enable that option. I'm going to demonstrate a few more filters and how to search for a service that has already been entered into the system. To search for a service order, choose the filter you want to use, enter your search, and press Enter or click the blue Search button. You can filter by OS, box, patient, and service name. To change a service's status to delivered, chafer, proof, or any other status, click directly on the current status. A quick edit window will open. Confirm the information and click the blue Save button. Additional actions available in production control. Clicking the eye icon lets you view more details about the service or add images and files. Clicking the pencil icon allows you to edit the service order, but keep in mind that once a service has been invoiced or payment has been recorded, editing will be limited to certain fields. To unlock full editing, you'll need to delete the invoice or reverse the payment. The printer icon allows you to reprint the service, and the trash can icon allows you to delete it.